Hello, we're here in Boston for this year's ISDA annual general meeting. And as the event gets underway, I'm here with ISDA Chair Amy Hong and ISDA CEO Scott Amalia. Amy, Scott, welcome to Boston.
Thanks, Nick.
Now, one of the big themes of the AGM this year is the role that technology is playing in transforming derivatives markets. Amy, what do you see as the biggest area of potential here?
Well, it's really exciting just how much potential all of these novel technologies demonstrate for financial markets overall. Looking at tokenization, for example, I think there's a real use case from a collateral standpoint to improve collateral mobility, so timeliness and portability of collateral, and to also enhance the number of instruments that can be utilized for collateral purposes, like money market funds. When it comes to artificial intelligence, I think of it as a bionic arm. It will augment what our talented people in the industry can do, not substitute it. And so the productivity gains that we'll see from technologies like tokenization and AI are real.
Scott, what are your thoughts on this?
Amy's right. Tokenization is a game changer, but we have to do it right. A recent study came out by NASDAQ and Value Exchange. It said potential of half the market could be using tokenized products by the end of the year for collateral. That's exciting, but there are certain key questions that we need to answer around legal foundation, what happens in a default, how we manage that. Luckily enough, ISDA's got a vast amount of experience. We've been doing this our entire time, and we can really contribute that to make sure that the market can trade both safely and efficiently.
Beyond tokenization, beyond technology, there are a number of other really big issues on the ISDA AGM agenda this year. For example, Basel III, treasury clearing, non-bank financial intermediation and liquidity risk. What sessions are you most looking forward to this year?
Nick, it's like asking me who's my favorite child. Of course, they're all going to be excellent, but I'm going to be focused on the Basel one because it just came out a month ago, right? We're unpacking it. We've got some experts on the panel that are going to explain kind of how they think about implementation. Two of the things that I'm really watching closely are internal model development and implementation and the standardized approach to counterparty credit risk. I don't think Basel quite got it right, or the US endgame got it right. And we need to see how that's going to impact market liquidity and trading, particularly as we're coming into this US Treasury clearing mandate. This could be a game changer from a kind of a product efficiency and overall netting approach. So I'm going to go with the Basel panel.
Amy, what are you most looking forward to?
I'm looking forward to the public policy panels. Market structure continues to evolve. It's not stagnant. And so, as I contemplate how we can modernize derivatives markets, not just leveraging technology, but also reviewing the overarching regulatory framework is really important. We have an opportunity here to take a look at how markets have changed post, financial crisis regulations and contemplate where there might be opportunities to improve and modernize the regulatory framework to be fit for purpose for markets of today and tomorrow.
Amy, Scott, thanks very much. Enjoy the AGM.
Thanks, Nick.
Thanks, Nick.